In this video, we're going to focus on rounding numbers to the nearest 10. So let's get right into it by going over some examples together. Let's say we have 84. How are we going to round 84 to the nearest tens digit? Please follow along with me, as at the end of the video, I have some practice questions for you to try your hands on. Now let's dive in to look at 84 to the nearest tens digit. Now, first of all, you need to understand the place values of the digit 8 and 4. The 4 falls under the ones place value, and then the 8 is at the tens place value. In rounding 84 to the nearest tens digit, we have to change the 4 to 0. And then you have to look at the 4. If it is 5 or more, you round up 84. If it is 4 or less, you round down. Since 4 is under the category of 4 or less, we round down. So 84 to the nearest 10 digit gives us what? 80. All right. Let's look at the next example. We have 67. So we have to round 67 to the nearest tens digit. Now the tens digit here is 6. And this could either go up or will be round up to 70 or will be round down to 60. Now the next digit after the tens digit is 7, which falls under the category of 5 or more, meaning we are going to round up the 6 to 7, giving us what? 70. Let's look at another example. Let's round up 243 and 518 to the nearest tens digit. Now 243, we have to first of all identify the tens digit. In this case, it's 4. And this could give us either 240 or 250. Now the next digit after the tens value is 3, which falls under the category of what? 4 or less. Meaning we are going to what? Round down, giving us what? 240. And then this, let's look at the tens digit. In this case, it's 1. And this could also give us what? Either we round up to 520 or we round down to 510. Now let's consider the digit after the tens digit, which is 8, which falls under the category of what? 5 or more. Meaning we're going to round up the 1 to 2, giving us what? 520. All right. Now let's look at another example where it's a bit tricky. Now we have 5718. In rounding up 5718 to the nearest tens digit, we first locate what? The tens place value digit, which is 1. And then this could possibly give us two answers. Either it will be round up to 5720 or it will be round down to 5710. Now the next value after the tens digit is 8. This falls under the category of what? 5 or more, meaning we're going to round up the 1 to 2, giving us what? 5720. All right, let's take our last example, which is a bit tricky. Very, very tricky. So, but follow along with me as we solve together. We have 48396. Now let's locate the tens digit. In this case, it is 9. Now we should understand that the digit next to the 9 is 6, which falls under the category of what? 5 or more. So we have to round up the 9 to 10. So we have 10. But we cannot write it as what? 4, 8, 3, 10, another 0. Because this will mean that we are going backwards. So what we have to do is to round up again the next value after the tens place value. In this case, we need to round up the 3 to 4, giving us what? 48400. Remember, we are not rounding up what? To the nearest hundreds. We are rounding up to the nearest tens digit. I hope you got that. All right. So this brought us to the end of today's lesson on rounding to the nearest 10 digits. So let's take some practice question and then try our hands on so that you'll be able to what? Master rounding to the nearest 10 digits. So the first one, round up 56 to the nearest 10 digits. The second, you round up or round 3284 to the nearest 10 digits. Then finally, you round 72615 to the nearest digit. Please try your hands on, put your answers in the comment section, and see you in the next video, which will be on rounding numbers to the nearest 100. Thank you for your time. God bless you. Bye-bye.